yabona. Yeah.
Min sining kong kabade kat sautrik ubnai junus nam arajar arpuai kini ki briew daki hajar ngot kilale bentuat cakate kesnong kabakar tangka kwa lathi kabade pokari South Africa bat kini ki briew kilale tuat kadai hadin bakila bena ba uwei ubriew basyang masak pokate kesnong ulayo yu mawkordor ubarem dor bahana pokate kesnong bat kat kum ka khubor kabala yolum leitu ba ka kertang cu nu briew kadai umendo sabelo ubala arpnyos nam karta ba ubadeiru ukpa bat ubambiang kambiang jam ba nu briew leitu ba kat ba udang ot plang ha pokatika jaka kensan lai I we mau pelala ne mau kordor lami pau sejrong bu neu breu anda ulati ula siampan ban bu de ubah bat ka to video manis khamat ha ba lai I bu ura uto de breu la ne utau bang itu ang ne bala yo yu mau kordor padang to pila ben I bu to breu la poi pokisnang bat ki breu kilas dang banya sap yu bat pet yo to mau kordor uba neu breu ula yo.
I hadn't seen or touched a diamond in my life. It's my first time touching it here. I hope this will make a difference at home because we're really struggling. So I hope things will get better.
Bat uneu breu bakaran kilat patai kubor ude breu bayawat lang lambat kita kiri pai ba akatika jaka bu uneu breu la ang ba uklem padi I u malenai menomenoru aka jingem cu badu khmilin tiru bu unyo uwei nang ba umaulena unla ban pin kelai ka yin ka sam jong u bat hadin chak jing bana changki breu badai pet chak lain mariang nani kita ki geologist napo katika ri South Africa word kilawan bentu katika jaka banwat benia lane ban le eksperimen kenang ba ban lap susu ya kita ki maulenai namar ba kini ki maulenai ki de ki bakordor ba na banta ka ri South Africa ru bat susuru kat kum bala yolum lane bala mi na kita lang khubon napo ka ri South Africa la itu baki break bala yo kita ki mau kordor kilas dang bende kita ki mau kordor ibaret bah bat kila deru akador ka basia jandreus patengka iwe.
So you say you've been here from 6 this morning?
Yes, 6 this morning. Not this morning, yesterday.
Yesterday morning?
Not morning, but later.
Later?
Yes.
Okay. Is it hard work?
Yes, definitely sure it's a hard work. It's a hard work.
Okay.
So what are you going to do? Everybody will need money.
Yeah.
And also on top of that, there is no work.
There's no work? So you feel that you're going to make a bit of money like this, eh?
That is an opportunity.
It's an opportunity.
Yeah. So we have to grab it.
Grab it.
Before the government come. Because
Oh.
when the government come here,
Then you know.
take over.
They're going to take over.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
All right, all right.
Thank you.